Kila mtu achukue moja.
Okay.
Haya.
Okay.
Ndio hiyo.
Mimi nachagua yenye sipendi.
Chukua pia na pale. Kuna zingine patiana tu, patiana tunaweza pata na chapo kwa wedo.
Okay, sawa. More.
Kila mtu nne. Everybody make sure you have 4.
Okay.
Make sure sizioni.
Okay.
So the game is very simple. It's called a meme game, So whatever question I ask, you should choose what is your reaction. Zimefika nne?
Niko na 3
mimi pia.
Haya, ndio tuende kazi very quickly.
Haya.
Ndio hiyo. Akidagi unakaa tu ule mswa kudistribute chapati.
Mimi hiyo kwanza that one. That job I'm given, me I can do.
Haya, time. You guys are ready, yeah?
Yes.
So choose which meme represents your reaction. All right? Guys, you cheer them up, Camera guys, be ready to zoom in. When you no, that one. I don't want to start with that one. Shuffle it. Aya, come on, let's do this. When she's driving you to your homie's house and you stopped giving her direction 3 turns ago because she already knows the way.
It's like
I
can hear the song.
Oh my goodness. All right. Second question. When you're watching a movie with your parents and then a sex scene appears. What is
that? I've never seen that.
All right, Aya. When your boss is always cracking lame ass jokes, but you can't afford to lose your job. I don't like this job. I don't like this show anymore. That one is a little bit gender biased, so I'll put it aside. When you're giving a presentation and someone says, "Speak up!"
Again. No, do this again.
What is this?
When you're chilling with someone and think about how you never want to see their face ever again. When you're chilling with somebody and you think to yourself, I don't want to see this person ever again.
The queen.
Yes. When I'm almost done, when you think someone's waving at you, so you wave back, then you realize they were waving at the person behind you. When you see your ex with the person they told you not to worry about.
Hey, Allah.
Very quickly, let's finish up the video. Dagi, your social media handles very quickly.
Doug